Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about private member functions, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, private member functions are functions that are declared as private in a class. They can only be called from within the class, not from outside the class. Private member functions are used to implement helper functions that are used to perform specific tasks for the class, but that should not be exposed to the outside world. For example, you might have a private member function that calculates a value based on the class's data members, but you don't want to expose this calculation to the outside world. Here is an example of a private member function in the dog class. In this example, the dog class has a private member function, calculate food amount, that calculates the amount of the food that the dog should be fed based on its age. This function can only be called from within the class and cannot be called from outside the class. Using private member functions can help to encapsulate the implementation details of a class, making it easier to change the implementation without affecting the code that uses the class. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.